Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine non-alcoholic. Begin by choosing your preferred approach: gentle vacuum, reverse osmosis, spinning cone, or careful low-heat evaporation. Prepare a clean workspace and measure alcohol by volume if possible. Taste the wine before and after each step and take notes to track aroma changes. Aim to stop when alcohol drops below your target, but flavor remains balanced and enjoyable. There are simple home methods that can reduce alcohol with accessible tools. Try very low heat evaporation in a wide pan while monitoring aroma and timing carefully to minimize cooked notes. A vacuum flask or improvised vacuum chamber lowers alcohol boiling point and protects aromatics better than heat alone. Freezing can concentrate alcohol and allow partial separation, though results vary and may leave residues. Always cool and seal wine promptly after processing. Professional techniques offer cleaner, more consistent results for removing alcohol while preserving wine character. Reverse osmosis filters out alcohol and water through membranes and then recombines flavor components for balance. Spinning cone gently removes volatile alcohol with minimal heat exposure, keeping delicate aromatics intact. Distillation columns provide exact control of alcohol removal, but require expertise and investment, making them better suited for wineries or serious enthusiasts seeking repeatable outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.